Let's take a look at how to use Semrush for finding high CPC keywords, which are typically going to be the highest quality keywords, the ones that have people paying a good amount of money for them. It's usually that way because people are making good money from those keywords. Now, if you don't already have a Semrush account, I'll leave a link down below where you can get signed up for a free trial, test all these features out that I'm going to show you. But basically, the first thing I would do is come over here to the advertising section, and then under keyword research, you'll see the keyword magic tool. From there, I'll just type in the main keywords that I'm interested in. So for this example, we'll use Phoenix plumbers. Now we can see a whole bunch of different keywords that people are using on Google Ads to get traffic. And it's kind of a mix all over here. One thing we can do is just click the top of this column, and it's going to sort these keywords from the highest to the lowest cost. So emergency plumbers in Scottsdale is the highest cost per click keyword, which makes sense because Scottsdale is known for having high net worth, individuals who live there that have plenty of money and want to spend money on their things working well, right? Like their plumbing, and they have nice homes that they want to keep in good order, etc. So the people who are advertising on this keyword are probably getting really good customers from it, which is why they're willing to pay $105 per click on Google Ads in order to get traffic from this keyword. Now, Google Ads is an auction, so the more somebody is willing to pay for a click, the more competitive it is and the more they desire that traffic. If you see a click that only is $27, it's probably not going to convert at as high of a rate and generate as good of a customer. So this is like all misspellings of the word plumber or the actual word plumber here. They're all about the same cost, but because it's so general, you don't know if somebody's trying to figure out like what a plumber is, when they search that term, or if they're looking for an emergency plumber in a specific area, like the first example we were looking at here, emergency plumber Scottsdale, which is going to be definitely a high, more of a high converting keyword that's going to deliver high value traffic and customers. Plumber North Phoenix, emergency plumber. So emergency seems to be kind of up the top here in general, which also makes sense. Usually you can charge a little bit more for emergency plumbing than regular plumbing. So here's emergency again. So already we could export this list and start creating a list of keywords that are on the higher cost per click range that we could start targeting and expect to get some pretty high quality traffic coming through. Obviously, it's going to cost a decent amount to get these clicks, but so long as we have everything in place, like good ads, good landing pages, good follow-up, and we're able to convert this traffic into leads and customers at a decent rate, then should end up working out quite well. So I hope you found this helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. You just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there.
If you're like most new business owners, you're probably struggling to get your online presence established, let alone get it to the point where it's bringing you a consistent flow of customers, right? So that's why I created this free course where I actually walk you step by step through the whole process of setting up your online presence. This is the same process we've been using for our clients for over a decade at one of my agencies. And essentially, I'm going to show you how to set up an SEO-friendly business name right from the get-go, how to develop your website really quickly and easily, how to set up your Google Maps listing, start getting some Google reviews, everything you need in order to have a substantial online presence where people can actually start finding you and purchasing your products or services. The best part is I'm going to show you how to do it in under a couple of hours and all for less than $50. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up today. Make sure to check this course out for free right now because I'm probably going to start charging for this at some point in the future. All right, I'll see you on the other side.